The Rowi, or Okarito brown kiwi, a distinctive and endangered New Zealand species, faces severe threats from habitat degradation and introduced predators, particularly stoats. Recognized as a distinct species in 2003, the Rowi is nocturnal, utilizing unique adaptations such as long whisker-like feathers and an exceptional sense of smell for efficient foraging. Sexual dimorphism is evident, with males smaller than females, producing high-pitched whistles, while females have lower-pitched calls. Territorial in nature, Rowi engage in duets to reinforce territories and maintain mate contact at night. Conservation efforts include establishing breeding populations on additional islands and utilizing Motuara Island as a safe area for raising Rowi chicks away from stoats. Classified as vulnerable by the IUCN and nationally endangered by NZCTS, the Rowi's survival is intricately linked to human intervention. Operation Nest Egg aims to safeguard Rowi eggs from predators by removing them from the wild, hatching them in captivity, and raising the chicks in a predator-free environment until they are self-sufficient. This intervention has proven highly successful, significantly increasing the number of Rowi making it to adulthood from a mere 2 per season to around 50. Rowi are slow breeders, laying just 1 egg per year. The death of an adult Rowi has a profound impact on the population due to their low reproductive rate. Stoats, a major threat to Rowi, prey on both eggs and chicks, contributing to the decline in their numbers. Partnerships with organizations such as Te Unanga o Makawio, Ngi Tahu, West Coast Wildlife Centre, Willowbank, Air New Zealand, and EKO Tours play a crucial role in various aspects of Rowi conservation, from decision-making to transportation and advocacy. Despite the challenges, conservation successes have been achieved, leading to the reclassification from nationally critical to nationally endangered. Ongoing collaboration between humans and nature remains crucial for securing the future of this unique and vulnerable kiwi species. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next adventure.